Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can set the direction, whether it is from left to right or right to left, of the menu items in the Wix site. So let's go ahead and start with the tutorial. So to start with, I have opened editor of one of my Wix site. So this is the site which I use to show you tutorials, and please don't go or just don't look at its design because that is I have not made it seriously. I have made it just for to show you as a tutorial. So in coming videos, I am going to show you how you could create a website, at least a home page, page by page, or I can also show you full website, which can be a smaller website, mini website on Wix, which will be of like 1 to 2 or 3 page basically, or maybe 4 pages. So please don't see or don't go on this design. So this is the website I use to show you tutorials only. So this is also going to tutorial only. So to start with, just click on the menu, whichever menu you have added, and just click on layout. So in the layout, here are the other options, and as you can see, this is the option we want to choose from, display items from. So it's showing the direction left to right or right to left. So currently it is left to right, so that's why it is showing like this from home to block. But what if we click on right to left? So I will just click on it and show you how it will change. So here I clicked it. So as you can see, it has changed the direction. So now it's the home page starts from the right because we have set the direction from right to left. But most of the time, what we do is we to choose the left right only. So I hope you got it. Whatever I'm trying to tell you. So I will again show you many of the options on the of the menu in the Wix site. So the menu has a couple of options that you can use to make it better for the user experience. So I hope you understood, and please like this video, share this video, and comment down what you want to see in the further videos. So stay tuned for more such videos and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks.